The global tech map is undergoing a seismic shift. For a very long time, Beijing held an iron grip on the electronics manufacturing market. Today, New Delhi is actively challenging that very dominance. China currently holds roughly 67% of the global mobile phone production share. India has aggressively secured a 12% share, firmly taking the world's second largest spot. The battle lines for the future of tech supply chains are officially drawn. Here are, of course, the top 3 facts you need to know right now about India's billion-dollar mobile revolution. Let's start with 2014. India imported the vast majority of its mobile devices. Today, local factories produce 99.2% of all mobile phones sold within the country. Smartphones are officially India's largest export category by value. They have, of course, surpassed traditional heavyweights like processed diamonds and diesel fuel. A decade ago, the country's mobile production value sat at about, 18,900 crore rupees. By 2024, that number skyrocketed to over 4.22 lakh crore rupees. This massive growth is the direct result of the Make in India initiative. A decade ago, the country operated exactly 2 mobile factories. Today, there are more than 300 manufacturing units which are operating across the subcontinent. India has successfully transitioned from an import-dependent digital consumer to a global creator. But before we continue, I would please like to request you for your wonderful support as always by subscribing, liking and sharing, as it truly motivates us to bring you proudly news that is India first. Now, of course, that you've done that, and I would like to thank you again for doing so. Here is what we have to talk about as far as the corporate heavy hitters are concerned. Global tech giants have eagerly set up shop. Tim Cook clearly realized that an iPhone with a Made in India stamp is excellent for the bottom line, and perhaps the Siri voice assistant is enjoying the change of scenery. Apple alone exported over 1.1 lakh crore rupees worth of iPhones from India in 2024. Your premium smartphone and your budget-friendly Android both have a massive probability of being born in Bengaluru, Noida, or for that matter, Chennai. The evolution of this industry is happening in distinct upward phases. Phase 1, assembly. The country began by importing components and assembling the devices locally. Then we come to phase 2, which is deep manufacturing. Through the government's production-linked incentive, which is the PLI scheme, a system that directly pays companies to build infrastructure locally, factories are upgrading. They are now producing complex components natively. This includes manufacturing camera modules, display assemblies, and lithium-ion cells right here on Indian soil. The current global standing is quite definitive. India has surpassed Vietnam to take the number 2 spot globally, and the gap between the two continues to widen. The export numbers tell a story of global reliance. The records are like this. Total mobile exports hit a record 1.29 lakh crore rupees, approximately $15.5 billion in 2024. The United States market, which is nearly 70% of total Indian mobile exports, are now heading straight to the United States. In specific quarters, India has even overtaken China as the top smartphone exporter to the United States. As far as the job creation is concerned, this manufacturing boom has generated over 1.2 million direct and indirect jobs across the country. India has claimed its position as an electronics heavyweight. The nation has moved from the waiting room to the factory floor and straight into the global leaderboard. The Make in India slogan is a $50 billion reality. And in the world of technology, the future is increasingly Indian. Please do let us know about your thoughts as far as this development is concerned in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.